The central government has approved 1 crore rupees as compensation for farmers in Manipur whose pigs were culled due to the African swine fever outbreak. The epidemic, which spread across 7 districts, led to the culling of 1,781 pigs from across 1,662 farms. The state government had initially requested 30 crore rupees in compensation. Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services Secretary Michael Achom announced that the compensation will be distributed to affected farmers by the second week of next month. The highly contagious SAF outbreak began in October 2024 and was contained by December 2024. Officials identified 37 epicenters, resulting in the destruction of around 23,694 kg of pig feed. The affected districts include Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Ukhrul, Kamjong and Kukching. Officials emphasized that African swine fever has no available vaccine and is often fatal to infected pigs.